If you would like to create more users or edit your users, you're going to open up groups and users. And this right-hand side is actually pertaining to everything about the users. So you see this admin user type here. This admin is a user type. And you'll see Alex Avila and Lydia Navarro. These are the users that are currently created on this alexdev.cyberschool.com. If we'd like to create new users, we're going to hit this plus sign and add a new user. And all that's required here is a first and last name, a username, password, email, and that's just about it really. Um, Now, usernames in Cyberschool are unique. You cannot have a username like test user and then create another user with the same username. You'll get an error. So I'll just go through and I'll create a new one. Just say Alex Burden. That's my other last name. A Burden. And password is just going to be test123. And for the email, emails are not unique, so we can have the same one there. The school belonging to is Cyberschool 2.0. That's the school that this Alex Dev is called. The locale is the localization. By default, it'll by leaving this default, it'll take the default localization. We're on US Pacific. The public alias or nickname is a nickname that this user has. Um, so in high school, everyone just called me Burden. Uh, User type is the type of user they are in Cyberschool. So whenever they log in, they might be a teacher in your school, but they could be an admin on the site. And then the position is a position they actually hold within your organization. So it's set to administrator, but let's say custom, and we'll say teacher, and say create. So now you see the position is set to teacher. Okay, also with this, we have enabled is checked off, which is essentially active if they can or if they can't log in. So checked off for they can log in, and checked off is they can't log in. And you'll find that if somebody's locked out of their account, their enable checkbox will be unchecked, and you'll just have to check it off to reactivate them or unlock their account. This show user and staff module does just that. In the staff module, it determines whether they'll be showing or if they're not going to be showing. Then we have roaming. If you have more than one school, you might see some of these kind of start to fill up here. And roaming just means the amount of the permissions that this user will have on this actual site is going to essentially roam to other sites as well. So they might have admin rights on the district, and then they also go to say one of the high schools here. That just means that they'll have admin rights on the district and the high school. The permissions will roam to other schools. Show in staff module portion just means they'll be showing in multiple staff modules. So the staff module on the district and the staff module on the high school as well. And then profile just pertains to, the office phone number that they have, their room number, or just a personal bio to go along with them. So again, all you really need is a first and last name, desired username and password, and an email. And you can always edit this stuff much later. Okay, if you'd like to edit, just go ahead and click this user type here. Find the user and click the little pencil next to their name. And it's all the same information, but you'll notice now we can actually upload a profile picture. And this is the profile picture that's actually placed into the staff module whenever you actually visit the staff module. And we can always delete the user here.